in the electromagnetic induction. In the electromagnetic induction, induced EMF is established in the coil. Induced EMF is established in the coil. Means here the chapter name is, this is the 9th chapter, electromagnetic induction. It is electromagnetic induction, 9th chapter, physics. Now, in this chapter, we studied about the induced EMF, which gives induced current. Now, another current is eddy current or Foucault current. Why means the eddy current is observed by scientist Foucault. That's why it is called Foucault current. Now, what is a eddy current or Foucault current? A metallic frame is in the finger shape. This is the metallic frame like a finger shape. A metallic frame is in finger shape or metallic disc has tiny holes in it, is associated with varying magnetic flux. Means this is the finger shape of a metallic frame. This is the uniform magnetic field, North Pole and South Pole. In this, this is the North Pole and South Pole. This is the finger shape. It is associated with the varying magnetic flux. Means it is oscillates like this. This is the rigid support. It is oscillates. So, varying magnetic flux is associated. A metallic frame is in finger shape or a disc also, disc like this. It is also has tiny holes. It is also means oscillates or associated with a varying magnetic flux. Induced circulating current. Induced circulating current like a sterile water in a cup. Let us take a water in a cup and stir it. We can get this shape like this. Established in the frame or a disc is called eddy current. Means when this frame is associated with varying magnetic flux, in this frame electrons flows like this, like a eddies. Eddies means, let us take a water in a cup and stir it. We can get the shape like this. In that way the current flows. That current is called eddy current. Who is observed this? Foucault. That's why it is called Foucault current. In this way current flows in the frame. This is the way to flow the current. This is the flow of eddy currents. Due to eddy current, the energy is dissipated in the form of heat energy. Means in this frame current flows like this, like this, like this, so that what happen? Energy is dissipated in the form of heat energy. Means when this frame is linked with the varying magnetic flux, in this one current flows like eddy. Means like a sterile water in a cup. That is called as eddy current. Due to this eddy current, in this one energy is dissipated, energy loss is occurred. The loss of energy is expelled in the form of heat energy. Means it is heated, it is warm up. This is occurred in the frame. Okay, this is about eddy current. This is very important in this chapter for 4 marks. How we can get define eddy current, write the advantages of eddy current. Now what are the advantages? Now first one, this eddy current is especially used to stop the electric train. Eddy current is especially used to stop the electric train as a magnetic braking. We know that to stop the vehicles we can apply the brake, but here magnetic brake. Which gives a magnetic brake? Here it is in the train, eddy current. The first advantage of eddy current means it is used to stop the electrical train. The first one, magnetic brake in train. Now let us see. A strong magnetic field is applied across the metallic drum rotated with the axle of electric train. You know that one electrical train, wheels are present. The wheels are rotated on one axle. The wheels are rotated on the axle. A strong magnetic field is applied across the metallic drum rotating with axle. This is the axle. This is the wheel, it is rotated on both sides. What happened? Strong magnetic field is applied across the metallic drum, means just like a wheel. Thus, a large eddy current produces in the metallic drum. Thus, a large eddy current are produced in the metallic drum. These current oppose the motion of the drum, and hence the axle of the train ultimately makes the train come to the rest. In shortcut, you write magnetic braking in train. In shortcut, how we can write? Eddy current is used to stop the electric train. That is enough. Otherwise, this is explanation. How you can write? Advantage of eddy current. Number one, magnetic braking in train. If you remember this, you write all these matter. Otherwise, it is used to stop the electrical train, means eddy current is used to stop the electrical train as a magnetic brake. That's enough. It's shortcut. Otherwise, you can write like this. Now the second one, induction motor. All electrical motors, just like a fan, just like a water lifting motor, just like a grinder, the taller induction motor. How we can write? Eddy currents are used to rotate the short circuited rotor of an inductor motor. Means you take a fan or a water lifting motor, it is rotates. Which is rotates? That is called rotor. Ceiling fans are also induction motors which run on single phase alternating current. Now, what is the second use of the eddy current? Number two, induction motor. If you remember, write all these matter. Otherwise, eddy current is used to rotate the all induction motors like a electrical fan, water lifting motor, grinders, etc. That's enough. In shortcut. The third one, electromagnetic damping. Electromagnetic damping. Certain galvanometers have a fixed core made of non-magnetic material. Means this topic comes under the which one? Moving galvanometer. This topic comes under the moving galvanometer. Electromagnetic damping. Certain galvanometers have a fixed core made of non-metallic material. When the coil is oscillates, you know that in the moving galvanometer coil is oscillates. The eddy currents generates in the core. The eddy current is generated in the core, oppose the motion and brings the coil to rest quickly. Means in moving galvanometer, coil is oscillates. When the coil is oscillates, in that one eddy current is produced. That eddy current is brings the coil quick to the rest. This is the third advantage. In shortcut, make the subheading electromagnetic damping. In galvanometer, when current passing through the coil, it is oscillates. When it is oscillates, eddy currents is generated in it and brings that coil quickly come to the rest. This is the third advantage of the which one? Eddy current. Fourth use of the eddy current is induction furnace. Induction furnace. And what is the use of this eddy current? Due to the eddy current, energy is dissipated in the form of heat energy. With the help of this heat energy, we can prepare new metals or alloys. This is the shortcut. Due to the eddy current, large amount of heat is generated in the frame utilized to prepare the alloys. Shortcut. Otherwise, induction furnace can be used to produce high temperatures and can be utilized to prepare alloys. Alloys means mixing of different metals. Mixing of different metals is called alloy. By melting the constituent metals, different metals. A high frequency alternating current is passed through the coil. The eddy currents generated in the metals produce high temperature sufficient to melt it. Okay, this is happened. Once again, shortcut how we can write induction furnace sub-eddy. The eddy current is produces high temperature, so it is used to prepare the metallic alloys, means new metals, means we can use to mix the different metals. That is shortcut. Otherwise, induction furnace can be used to produce high temperatures and can be utilized to prepare alloys by melting the constituent metals. A high frequency alternating current is passed through a coil. The eddy currents generate in the metals produce high temperatures sufficient to melt it. You write it. Now, the fifth use of eddy current. The advantage of the eddy current. The fifth one, analog energy meters. Analog energy meters means that we can use in our houses to get the current bill. Okay. Now, electrometers, shortcut. In the electrometers, a disc is rotates with a constant velocity with a eddy current, or aluminum disc is rotates with a constant velocity due to the eddy current. That's enough. Otherwise, concept of eddy currents is used to energy meters to record the consumption of electricity. How much electricity we are consumed, that is recorded. Aluminum disc used in these meters get induced due to the varying magnetic field or flux. It rotates due to eddy currents produced in it. Okay, shortcut how we can write analog energy meters. In the energy meters, aluminum disc is rotates with constant velocity to record the consumption electricity due to the eddy current. That's enough. Next, the same type of electrometer is also used in the vehicles as a speedometer. If we can drive the vehicles or drive the vehicles, how much speed is identified with 1 meter, that is called odometer or speedometer. The needle is moves. How the needle is moves? By this one only. By this effect in vehicles, speedometer is works and inform the speed of the vehicle by deflecting the needle provided in the speedometer. Okay, these are the advantages of the which one? Eddy current. Eddy current, define eddy current and write the advantages. This is one of the important question in shortcut. First one, it is used to stop the electrical train as a magnetic brake. Next one, it is used in the induction motors just like a fan. Next, it is used in the electromagnetic to bring the coil quickly comes to the rest. And the fourth one, induction furnace, it is used to melt the metals and to prepare the alloys. And the fifth one, it is used to record the consumption electricity. That's enough, shortcut. And also used in the vehicles to find the speed of it. Okay, these are the advantages of which one? Eddy current. Make the subheading also, you will get the 4 marks. Okay, this is one of the important question in this chapter.